full on heroin mode. This is unexpected, you guys. Oh यार मुझे दिमाग ही लगाना पड़ रहा. The entire thing is done by the app, which is so cool. Hi guys, when I said this is my year, I mean it because I have my dream wishlist product in my hand. Drum rolls, are you ready for it? This is the Dyson Airwrap ID. Yay! By the way, this is Dyson's first connected styling device, and I can proudly say my hair is styled by an app today. Like literally, can you believe it? App styled it. Yes, an app, because this is a unique Bluetooth enabled hairstyling device that does all the job by itself according to my hair profile. Literally feels like a personal hairstylist. Okay, first let me show you what all we have in this box. First of all, it comes in such a cool packaging which is so easy to store as well, and inside it is literally a luxury feel Dyson Airwrap ID body. A lot of attachments in it like fast dry attachment, soft smoothing brush, then we have two barrels, one is conical and one is the 40 mm long barrel. Then we have the large volumizing brush, and at last the smoothing dryer. Last we have this filter to clean your Dyson, so make sure you store it really well because you have to clean this particular area regularly. Let's begin our Dyson Airwrap ID journey. I just washed my hair, they are sort of semi wet, so whenever you open this box you will find a scanner over here. Now all you have to do is install My Dyson app in your mobile phone, and then you have to enter some basic detail like region, your name. You have to create an account on My Dyson app so that your Dyson device is exclusively connected to the My Dyson app. Okay, now I have to select the Dyson machine. This is the hair care Dyson. Please locate your machine serial number. So आपका जो Dyson main body है उसकी wire पे एक serial number दिया हुआ है sticker की form में. So all you have to do is just scan it and then it will automatically connect it to your Dyson device. To pair up the device, I just have to switch it on and ये automatically pair up हो जाता है. Okay, now I have to set up for styling. Dyson will ask me some basic questions so that मेरा hair profile create हो जाए. What is my hair type? My hair type is wavy, you can say. How long is your hair? My hair is sort of long. I'm taking it. Okay, next up we have what is a single strand of your hair like? It is fine, medium. I think it is medium. Like it's not very fine, it's not very coarse. How does your hair retain style? I would say not really well because my hair doesn't take that styling very long. मेरे curls usually खुल जाते हैं. So I'll be very honest here. What is your styling skill level? My styling skill level is practiced, you can say, which is like intermediate, not beginner, not advanced. Next question is, what are your styling goals? We have a lot of options over here. So I would choose to control frizz. Definitely, I don't like my frizzy hair. Voluminous curls and waves. Yes, I want nice voluminous curls. And then next up, I want quick daily styling. Yeah. So these are my three main goals. And we are done. Now my hair profile is done. I have to enable the ID curl. Done. I have enabled the ID curl. And we also have ID curl tutorial. So just in case you are new to it, you don't know how to do it, Dyson is there to help you on the app. Okay, let's begin. My hair are towel dried. Now I'm going to use a styling mousse so that my hair retains good style. Just a little bit, not too much. Little bit here and little bit here also. Okay, my Dyson device is all connected and ready to use. I'm going to use the first attachment, which is the fast drying attachment. Let's talk about the buttons over here. First of all, we have the main power button, which has the ID button also, जो मैं आपको curling के time बताऊंगी. Then next up, we have this fan button, which has 3 speed, 1, 2 and full speed. And then we have the heat button also. So lowest पे cold air आएगी. Then we have medium and then we have completely high heat. So I'm going to use on medium heat and full speed fan. Just in case you're in a hurry, you really want to dry your hair faster, you can keep it on full heat speed also. लेकिन मैं mid पे रखने वाली हूँ. Okay, let's get started. The fast dryer is really powerful. This Airwrap ID fast drying mode is really good. Like the airflow is amazing. My hair were dripping wet and now they are semi damp, and ये भी मैंने damp रखे हैं because I'm gonna style it with the next attachment. Okay, time to use the next attachment to just make my hair slightly straight. This is the soft smoothing brush and this will give me that natural looking straight hair daily. So Dyson Airwrap ID has lock and unlock button right over here. All you have to do is just slide it down. It will be unlocked and then you can use the next attachment to just lock it completely, and now it's locked. For the soft smoothing brush, I'm going to keep the heat on full and again the fan on full speed so that it gives me that nice natural looking straight effect. This is unexpected, you guys. I thought I have to just go through 4 to 5 or at least 10 times to make it dry, but look at this, just 2 times and my hair are literally sort of straight. Like I love it. I love such slight straight kind of effect which looks natural and not very fake. मुझे वो pressing machines वाले straight hair नहीं अच्छे लगते. Notice one thing, that the brush is literally movable, unlike other brushes जो बिल्कुल भी move नहीं होते थे, उसमें मेरे बाल tug होते थे, pull होते थे, but this is like moving with the flow, which is very easy to use, and it makes sure that my hair is not pulling badly. Okay, here is a quick before and after. It is literally visible. This side looks so tamed down, slight straight, natural kind of effect, which looks so nice. Like it is maintaining the shine in my hair too, which is so good. While this is the natural side, which is wavy and frizzy. Like I'm gonna use this attachment a lot. I think ये मेरी favorite होने वाली है. And we are done. This light straight effect makes sure my Dyson Airwrap ID curls are more enhanced and neat. Okay, now it's time to try out the Dyson Airwrap ID curls. I'm very excited. So we have two barrels in this particular model. This is how the barrel looks like. This is the first one. This is the conical barrel, which has a very beautiful conical shape. And next up we have this 40 mm long barrel. So I'm kind of confused. Which one should I use? I'm gonna use both. One on this side, one on this side, just to see a comparison, and then I'll decide which one I'll choose. I took long sections so that you can see a difference properly, and I can also see the difference. And now this is the Dyson Airwrap ID. You don't need separate barrel for both sides. All you have to do is just switch the section, either left side or the right side according to your hair type. Now I'm gonna do this side, so I'm gonna switch it to this side because I want that outward kind of effect. Okay, now it's time to test it out. The ID curl mode, Bluetooth is turned on, the product is connected, and now I have to switch on to the ID mode. So it has 3 modes power. This is off. If I click on the middle, it will be on, and on the top it has ID mode. So as soon as I enable the ID mode, it will start wrapping my hair, and the entire thing will be done by the app, which is so cool. Turn on the ID mode, and now the Dyson ID magic will do the job. Wrapping to styling to cool shot. No more fuss of handling it manually. The app does it all. Also, it personalizes styling not just by hair type but by hair length, skill level and styling goal as well, making it feel more customized, and this is such a cool feature. This is how the conical barrel curls turned out. Now it's time to try out the thicker barrel, and let's see how it performs. This is the 40 mm Airwrap long barrel. It creates loose bouncy curls and waves in both directions, so no hassle of changing the barrel. It has both the direction in it. Also, this particular barrel is specially made for longer hair, which is perfect for hair like mine. Okay, this is how both the curls turned out. I think I'm gonna go with the conical barrel because I love this wavy and beachy kind of effect. We're done on this side, and this is how the conical barrel curls turned out. They're so pretty. At this point, you can even spray like a setting or locking spray on your hair so that the curls are completely locked. Let me do on this side and the crown portion, and then we'll move on to the next attachment. Also, the best part, you can change the settings in the My Dyson app. If you want tighter or looser curls, it will adjust the timing accordingly. No worry of going in manually. And we are done with the conical barrel curls, and this is how they turned out. Like, look at this. No heating plates involved, no burning, no smelly hair. Wow, I love it. Like, the volume is crazy. I'm loving these bouncy curls, like literally no heat, just Dyson magic. Now this one is very famous to add volume in the front section. So let's see how my hair looks like right now. They are completely flat and there's no volume in the front. You see the fall right now, like they are not falling flat. There is a very nice volume right over here. Of course, जब मेरा पूरी practice हो जाएगी इस पे तो मैं और better कर पाऊंगी. But for the first usage, this is not at all bad. Like, I love it. And this is how my hair looks like, from frizzy to fabulous without burning a single strand. Like, no heat damage involved. Dyson Airwrap ID is experience itself. Okay, for the last and the final attachment, I'm gonna test it on my freshly washed hair because my freshly washed hair are very frizzy and dry, as you can see. So this is the most unique attachment that Dyson is offering. This is the Quanda Smoothing Dryer. It is a multifunction attachment. It dries your hair, smoothen out your hair, and remove flyaways also. So I'm going to test it on my flyaways and frizziness, how well this works. So how it works, it has two modes. First of all, we have the dryer mode outside. Like if the vent is open, you can use it as a hair dryer, and once you just close it and lock it, you can now use it for smoothing purpose, and I'll show you how. And we have two arrows also. I'm literally showing you real-time difference, guys. Can you see before and after? My freshly washed hair is always super frizzy. I think this is the best attachment for first day washed hair, because हमारे जो freshly washed hair होते हैं first day बिल्कुल ऐसे frizzy all over the place होते हैं. Look at this, and look at this side. It is so much smoothened up, tamed down, and looks slightly presentable as well. So yeah, this attachment is again going to be my favorite. I love the fact this tool intelligently regulates temperature, ensuring no heat damage. It is great for all hair types, whether your hair is fine, thick, straight, wavy. This tool can handle it intelligently. There you have it, smart curling technology with Bluetooth and app power. The new curling technology, we can call it. And personally, it has so many styling options that you will love to do your hairstyling now. Basically, the Dyson Airwrap ID proved me that I don't need to go to any salon for such kind of styling, and I don't need to burn my hair now. So this was my very first impression and usage guide. Honestly, this is not just a tool, it is a complete experience, and I think every girl need to experience this. You'll see this a lot in my get ready with videos now. Also, let me know in the comment section how my hair looks, and just in case you have any Dyson related query, you can definitely ask in the comment section. I'll definitely answer you back. I've tagged the product below, so do check it out, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.